Dear learners, in this session, we'll learn standard deviation and mean. Standard deviation will help you to measure the risk involved in financial instrument, and arithmetic mean will help you to understand returns, returns out of that financial instrument. Formula of mean is sum of observation in numerator divided by number of observation in denominator. Formula of standard deviation in square root in numerator you try to find out variance. Variance means difference between security return and average security returns. In denominator you have number of values in the data set. So these statistical methods will help you to evaluate wealth, investment, or securities. Now we'll try to take live data. So for that, I will ask you or I will request you to go to the website of NSEs. Just follow me. It will help you to understand. In search box, I will write NSE India. Here I am getting website of NSEs, NSE India. From here, I will fetch data of required security. Now, if you know the sticker, sticker means symbol of that security. You can type here. You can type in search box. If you don't know the name of if you don't know the symbol or sticker of that security, you can type full name of that security. For example, I want to fetch data of SBI. Now I know the sticker that is symbol of SBI, SBIN. But if you don't know, then type full name of that bank. Now here I will write full name of bank, State Bank of India. Here you can see you got lots of options, but you want to select State Bank of India as per your wish. I clicked on State Bank of India. Now I want data. I want stock prices of State Bank of India of last year or of last week of or last month. So as per the requirement, you will face the data, scroll down. Here you will find securities information, price information. Scroll down. Now I want historical data. I want last week's data. So where I will click on historical data. As per your wish, you can set frequency. You can collect data of 1 day or 1 week, 1 month, 3 months data. You can collect 6 months, 1 year. So let's go for 1 week data. Now I want last week's data only, so I will not change date here. Here you can see dates mentioned from 5th June to 12th June. So I will not change range. If you want to have data of other week, then you can change dates here. Once you decide that, then click on download. So I have clicked on download. I have downloaded data in CSV format. Open it. So here you got the data. Now to calculate the standard deviation and return, I need closing prices only. So I will delete all data except date and closing prices. So shift and side arrow key to select multiple columns. Delete. Again, I don't want. 52 weeks high price. I don't want 52 weeks low price, so I will delete that on that also. Press F4 to repeat the last action. Okay. Now I got required input, so I will find out day wise growth of that stock. You know the formula to find out the growth is equal to bracket open current price minus previous price bracket close divided by previous price. Again, I want answer in percentage, so I will use multiple brackets here. And multiply by, let me close the bracket once again, multiply by 100. Okay. Those brackets should be here. Some error. One bracket closed here, second bracket closed here. So, oh, no need to close bracket here. Enter. So there's a there's a growth of 0.61%. Students, here data is in descending order, so we need to have a data in ascending order. So again, we need to change the order. I have selected the date column. Go to sort oldest to newest. Expand the selection. Yes, sort. Okay. Now I got the data as per the dates. So 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So this will help me to find out the trend, to find out the growth day wise. Again, same formula, bracket open is equal to bracket open current price minus previous price bracket close divided by previous price. You can use multiple brackets in into 100. Enter. So here I face minus 1.16% of loss. Again, copy the formula and apply to other sales. So on 9th June, again I faced loss. On 10th June, I earned 2.56% of profit. On 11th June, again I suffered a loss of 0.61. Now I want to find out average return. I want to find out arithmetic return. I want to find out how much I earned in last week. So you know the formula is equal to average tab, select the numbers, enter. So I didn't earn anything. I suffered a loss. Okay. Now I want to see this. This is your returns. Now I want to see how much risk I faced. You know the formula. But in Excel, we are not going to do any no, we are not going to use any formula. Uh, uh, we'll use formulas mentioned in Excel. Then second one formula, tab, select the numbers, enter. So here we faced 1.5% of risk, and here our returns are in minus day wise. In that week, in last week, in this week only, we earned negative returns. So this stock is not definitely for us. We should switch to other stock. So I hope you understand how to use mean and standard deviation. Now it is up to you. As per your wish, you can select data of 1 year, 2 year. You can select data of multiple stocks. You can do comparison between stocks or among stocks. Even you can, through these statistical tools, you can compare your stocks performance with Nifty or Sensex or any other indices as per your wish. So thank you. I hope you will follow the necessary steps which I showed you. If you have any doubt, any issue, please be in touch with me. Thank you.